Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best sound player is probably one of the most innovative gadgets I've come across this year. This little device is designed to play sounds when it detects motion, making it perfect for everything from home security to playful pranks. Whether you're looking to deter unwanted visitors or add a touch of fun to your space, this motion-activated sound player is definitely worth a closer look. Number 5. REDTIGER F7N Touch 4K Dashcam. This dashcam records in stunning 4K UHD resolution for the front and 1080p FHD for the rear. Equipped with advanced technology, it ensures excellent visibility even in low-light conditions, providing reliable recordings day and night. The F7N Touch features voice commands for hands-free control, enhancing safety. It also has a smart touchscreen for easy operation. Multiple control methods are integrated. Connect to the dashcam via the REDTIGER Cam app on your smartphone. Enjoy faster download speeds and share your driving experiences in real time. The built-in GPS provides traceable location and speed in the recordings. This dual-channel dashcam automatically overwrites the oldest footage when the memory is full. The built-in G sensor detects sudden movements and protects the associated footage, ensuring it won't be overwritten. The car dashboard camera offers G-sensor parking mode to record when collisions are detected. Time-lapse parking mode provides continuous surveillance during parking. Asterisk requires a separate hardwire kit. Mount the dashcam easily and hide the wiring. REDTIGER provides an 18-month guarantee and 24/7 customer support. Drive with peace of mind, knowing that we've got you covered. What we like. This dashcam offers crystal-clear 4K recording, both front and rear. It also features convenient voice control, so you can keep your hands on the wheel. Plus, the built-in GPS and Wi-Fi make sharing your drives a breeze. If you are looking for a dashcam that combines high-quality recording with smart features and easy sharing, this is the one for you. What people say. The camera is clear and the nighttime view is amazingly bright. It has GPS and an automatic video capture feature if an accident is detected. The 4K front camera delivers clear, detailed footage, and the touchscreen is responsive and easy to navigate. Number 4. FOCUWAY D2 Duo 4K Dashcam. This is the FOCUWAY D2 Duo Dashcam. It's designed to capture every moment on the road, providing you with peace of mind and reliable recording capabilities. The front camera records in stunning 4K Ultra HD, while the rear camera captures in Full HD. The wide-angle lens ensures that it captures more of the road and surroundings, helping you record crucial details. The dashcam features a new 3.39-inch IPS screen for enhanced live video preview and playback. It also has smart voice control, allowing for hands-free operation. You can simply say "lock the video" to save important moments. Experience faster performance with 5 GHz Wi-Fi. You can easily preview, download, and share your journeys with the free app. The built-in GPS logs vehicle speed, driving routes, and real-time location. It offers 2 parking modes and seamless loop recording. The dashcam ensures that you don't miss a thing, even when the car is parked. A hardwire kit is required for parking mode functionality. Equipped with an advanced Starvis sensor, f1.5 large aperture lens, and WDR/HDR technology, the dashcam excels in low-light conditions. It captures high-quality footage at night with enhanced clarity. The built-in G sensor automatically locks footage when an impact is detected. It supports microSD cards up to 512 GB, allowing you to store extensive 4K footage. Remember to format the SD card every 2 weeks for best performance. What we like. With its 4K resolution, this dashcam captures every detail of your journey. It also boasts faster 5 GHz Wi-Fi for quick downloads and sharing. And the smart voice control keeps your focus on the road. If you like having the latest technology and a user-friendly experience, this dashcam is a great choice. What people say. Very good features. GPS tracking. Parking surveillance, video or stills. Number 3. Icstation DIY Light Sensor Sound Module. This DIY sound module is perfect for adding a special touch to your cards. It comes with a speaker and a rechargeable battery, making it ideal for Mother's Day, Father's Day, or Christmas. It's a great way to make your gifts more memorable. The module uses a light sensor to trigger the music. When it detects light, it starts playing, and stops when it's dark. You can also adjust the volume to your liking. With 8 MB of memory, you can easily upload your favorite MP3 files. It connects to your computer via USB, just like an MP3 player. Simply drag and drop your audio files to personalize it. The module features a Type-C USB port for easy charging. You can charge it using your computer or a standard charger. This ensures that it's always ready to play. The back of the module has a self-adhesive surface, making it easy to attach to your project. Remember to turn off the switch during installation to save power. What we like. This sound module is perfect for DIY projects, triggered by light. It offers 8 MB of memory for your custom sounds, and it's easily rechargeable via USB. If you are looking to add a personalized touch to your greeting cards or gifts, this is a fun and creative option. What people say. It does have 8 MB of memory and acts like a flash drive when you plug it into the computer, using the included cable. After you delete the pre-installed sample song, you can put any amount of songs up to 8 MB. I put 4 songs on mine and it works great. Number 2. Our motion sensor voice speaker. This motion sensor speaker plays audio when it detects movement. It has a long range, ensuring that it will trigger when someone enters the area. The sound is loud and clear. You can easily upload your own audio files. Simply use a USB flash drive or SD card to transfer the MP3 files. This allows you to personalize the sounds. Perfect for haunted houses, shops, or home security. It can be used for Halloween decorations, greeting customers, or as a warning alarm. It's a versatile device. Choose between single cycle or order playback modes. It supports MP3 audio files, giving you flexibility. The built-in speaker delivers crystal clear sound. Install it on a wall, ideally hidden from view. The volume is loud, but remember that it is not waterproof. Make sure it's placed in a suitable location. What we like. This device uses a motion sensor to play your custom audio files. It offers multiple playback modes and can be easily installed. If you have a haunted house or need a unique way to greet customers, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The motion activation is very sensitive and picks up movement from a good distance. The sound quality is surprisingly good for such a small device. The device is easy to set up and use. Number 1. Motion activated voice player with power sensor. This device uses a power sensor to detect motion. It's perfect for home safety reminders and more. It can play pre-recorded messages. The player detects motion up to 13 feet away, day or night. It has a 120-degree wide-angle sensor. The built-in speaker ensures clear playback. You can record your own voice messages with the built-in microphone. It supports segmented recording from multiple voices. Recording is simple, just press a button. The device also supports MP3 playback via USB. You can upload your own sound files. It has 4 MB of internal memory for up to 8 minutes of playback. Use it for reminders, advertising, or as a door greeter. It's also helpful for those with memory loss. It is designed for indoor use. The detection range is not adjustable. The 1-watt speaker is suitable for small spaces. If you can't record, the memory might be full, so delete old sounds first. What we like. This motion-activated player lets you record your own voice messages or upload MP3 files. It's ideal for reminders, point-of-sale advertising, or home safety. If you need a versatile and easy-to-use audio player for various applications, consider this one. What people say. The device picked up motion from a fair distance away and projected the recording so it could be easily heard. Works great. Works as advertised. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.